Let's talk about additives. Y'all big on additives? A lot of people be here bragging on Amazon and stuff like that. What do y'all use, or do y'all use additives? Or is it
No, we
needed?
don't. We don't. We don't use any additives. So a lot of what we do. Because we are strictly performance based. We really don't do maintenance or repairs or
Oh,
stuff
really?
like that. Yeah. So we don't really. Now you do have a lot of gasoline stuff. I mean, at the dealership, I mean, you see whenever you got to pop out, the fuel rails, and you can see the tips of the injectors. You can see that they're gunked up, and
Yeah.
you pull the intake manifold off, and you see that the intake runners are gummed up. So of course, there are additives to help alleviate those issues and to help clean that stuff up. But as far as the industry that I'm in, we really don't use a lot of additives. A lot of the stuff that we use, we're using specific fuels, for specific setups. And if we have to service the injector, we pop the injectors off. We have a machine that'll clean the injectors, and then we pop the injectors back in. A lot of that stuff is if we're using like ethanol-based fuels. But aside from that, no, we really aren't, big users of any type of additives or anything.
Man, you just mentioned. I think you said maintenance. Y'all don't do trans service, dip service,
No, no. I
tune
mean,
ups.
if we do, if we do maintenance, it is like track maintenance, like for example, the oil change intervals on these cars, on average are 5 to 6,000 miles. Well, we take it out to the track, and when we take it out to the track, I mean, we're putting that motor through a lot more abuse than just your everyday driving. So, maybe every two or three track events, we'll do services as far as that, servicing just those track vehicles. But if somebody was just to call us up off the street and say, hey, I need to come in and get a tune up and oil change, that's not really the type of clientele that we're striving to gain there.
Oh wow.